Hi, I'm Preeta, and today I'll be talking to you about sound and how it heals. Sound is energy, vibration, frequency, and everything around us is also energy. And because everything is energy, whether it appears as a solid form or anything else, has a vibration, has movement, and is vibrating at a frequency which our human intellect or human senses are not able to perceive. But the vibration is there. Healing is part of our body's makeup. Body's intelligence knows how to heal itself. And what causes this need to heal? Because there is some dissonance which is happening in our body system. And our body system is not limited to just the skin and bones. We also have what is known as the energetic body. So the blockages appear in the energetic body, and that is where the healing is required. What blocks the energy? Every emotion that we don't express or suppress, we distract ourselves. Every thought which is dissonant, every intention that is not in tune with your inherent nature, all of this call an energetic block. And when energy blocks, the cells go out of tune. A cluster of cells going out of tune will cause a discomfort over there, a distress, and over a period of time that distress will manifest itself as a physical disease. Having said that, sound healers use a variety of instruments and non-instrument vibrations to create a vortex of frequencies which allow the cells in our body to start retuning themselves to their original resonance. And as this retuning happens, the cells release the blocked energies and healing results. How long does it take to heal a condition, and what conditions can be healed? Well, if we go by the philosophy of it, every disease, because every disease comes from the same source, can be healed through sound or any other modality. How much time it will take will depend on the chronic nature, the depth of that condition, and also the willingness and the openness of the person to allow sound to do its work. So as a sound healer, I would say that when a person comes for healing, we obviously try and understand the condition and then create a energy vortex, a sound vortex, depending on which instruments I would like to use for that particular condition. And one session will tell me how many more sessions are required. Typically, for a chronic condition, 3 to 6 to 9 sessions could be required. And who can benefit from sound healing? Actually, everybody can, because all of us are tuned to our own breathing. And like I said, non-instrument vibrations, breathing, humming, chanting, toning, body movements, these are all part of the larger aspect of sound healing. So anybody can, everybody, from a child to an elderly person to a person who is undergoing some kind of a condition, even pregnant women, everybody can benefit from sound healing. Thank you.